Hello, my friend. What's the best way to have one-on-one individual meetings? The $1 trillion coach had this strategy here. Have a structure to the individual meetings. Get prepared for them because they are the best way to help people be more effective and grow. These one-on-one meetings are the typical meetings of coaching, mentoring. Bill had a structure. Work performance. How was sales? What was the development in products? Client feedback. Budget. When he talked about management and leadership, he used to ask, are you guiding your team? Are you eliminating the bad members? Are you doing your best to hire good people? Is your team able to do extraordinary things? Do you evaluate yourself comparing to the best of the world? Bill believed one of the main tasks of a manager is to ease decisions, and he had a specific structure for that. He didn't incentivize democracy. Bill hated that. He believed in the fight for the best idea, not for consensus. Bill talked individually with people before the meeting to know what they were thinking. With this, he would understand the different perspectives, but most importantly, he would give the members of the team the chance to get in the room prepared to explain their own point of view. What are we learning with Bill? That when you get together with somebody else, when you have your coach meeting, it's good to talk about feelings, but it's also essential to see performance, to see the numbers, to see sales, contacts, conversion. Comment here about the best individual meeting you've ever had. Comment here. How was this meeting? Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. The work of a leader, when he has to make a hard decision, is to remember all these principles.